Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome back to another cleaning video. So today I'm going to be cleaning my daughter's Isla room. Now this room is a complete disaster. This happened over the course of about 4 to 5 days. Yeah, let's just get right into it and clean this entire mess up. Honestly, I did not know where to begin. So what I'm going to do is just get in the middle of the room and just start working on all the little tiny toys that's going to go in this pink organizers that's in the middle of her room.
Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Now that we're home a lot more, I find that she is in her room a lot more and she's making an even bigger mess. So I normally clean her room once a week, and by the third or fourth day after I clean it, it looks like this because she plays really hard. She pulls everything out. She brings food upstairs as much as I tell her not to. This room just gets a complete mess. And you know what? Sometimes I just allow it because, you know, she's not in a school setting right now, and she's just enjoying just being home.
Find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your parts.
So what I'm about to do right now is work on this cube station. Now, I really like this cube station. I think a friend of mine told me to go ahead and get one of these. So basically, I put a lot of her miniature little action figures that she play with, just some of her makeup, just a lot of her doll clothing will probably go on this. I use this thing so many different ways, and yeah, I really like it. And I got it from Ikea.
Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it, baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better.
I also use the shelving, the cube shelving system to hold a lot of her books. We'll read 1 or 2 books a night, and we go through all the books, and she actually enjoys a lot of them. So we'll take some downstairs, but for right now, these are all the books that's in her room.
Everything we need right here, wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone, you and me alone, inside of our embassy.
During the filming of this particular video, my daughter Isla was asleep, so I tried to do this as quickly as possible before she wakes up because she'll be all in the mix once she does. But she was asleep, so it gave me some really good time to get in and clean it out.
Lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Where you wanna go, stars align under your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste, make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. watch me. Dancing in the car, it's lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah.
I've noticed when cleaning her room, I found a lot of crumbs and toys and some, you know, like candy wrappers or trash underneath her egg chair. Now, I did get the egg chair from Sam's Club. I really wanted the pink one, but they were all out. So when I went into the store, I found the tan one, which it all works, but I really love this chair. And she actually really enjoys sitting in it. So what I'm about to do right now is tackle underneath her bed, change the sheet on her bed, and just kind of really clean this area up. This is one of the areas that I don't get to often, but when I think about it, I was like, let me go ahead and get everything that's underneath the bed. So I'm gonna take the mattress off, which is an Ikea mattress. Now the bed can go to like a really small toddler size, which I don't think that we're going to go back there, but I'm wondering if I should just go ahead and get a regular full-size mattress instead of this Ikea mattress that comes apart. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you think I should change out and just get a regular twin-size mattress.
Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. Hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
what I'm about to do right now is tackle the laundry, and basically what I mean by tackle is put it away, because I already folded the laundry 2 days ago. It was just sitting in one of my favorite Ikea bins. I just love these blue bags. I use them for almost everything, let me tell y'all. But back to the laundry. So what I'm doing now is just putting away her clothes, and what I normally do is I try to use the KonMori method, which I absolutely love. So basically what I do is the first drawer is her underclothing, undershirts, pajamas. Second drawer is her shirts, socks, and different leg warmers or different things that she's wearing. The third drawer is her pants or sweatpants or track suits that she's wearing. And that's how I normally typically sort the clothes. So what I'm about to do is lay her clothes out for the next day. With my son, who is virtual learning, where he has to have his camera on at all times, I lay his clothing out daily for him, just so he can change into something more comfortable and just out of the pajamas. So what I'm doing for Isla is I am taking out her clothing, because we will be leaving out the house tomorrow. So now I'm going to go ahead and tackle her dramatic play area with all of her princess dresses, all of her fancy dresses, all of her tutus. Oh my god, I actually love this more than she do. So I did get the pink garment rack from Walmart, I believe, for like 25 bucks, I believe. And I recently just switched out all of her hangers to these felt hangers, which I think it just makes everything look so clean. I also changed them in her closet as well. She still had some of the plastic ones, but they're like in the back of the closet. But I just think it just gives it a really nice look.
Stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn.
This stuff that I'm putting into this basket is clothing that she can't wear. So every time I wash her clothes or go through her closet, I take out everything that she can't wear, because like I said, our home has really small closets and it's just so much clutter and space. So I just try to get rid of it every possible chance. I used to try to do it once a month, but now I do it all the time. Just get rid of stuff.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low.
If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for tuning in to Majida Bello's YouTube channel. I just try to do everything mommyhood over here, and I really like posting videos. So if there's some videos that you want to see from me, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. And while you're down there, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit a like and tell your friends about my channel. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down.